By today's game day, Sunday, December 15th for the NFL, you'll see that I have 309 NFL games loaded for the year. And in particular, today I'm drilling into this bucket here, the 15th, which is game day today, live. So that said, I've been out sending out calendar bulk invitations out. And what that means is I'm working with a piece of technology from 31 events called the Calendar Invite Server. What the Calendar Invite Server allows me to do is numerous things we won't get into here, but this particular thing I'm focused on is showing you how our Calendar Invite engine works with our Calendar Invite server stack on AWS. I'm essentially selecting out some game data, demo data from football games. I'm selecting a particular game for the day, and I'm given a command to send it to a list. And that list is just a demo list of 11. Now, that demo list could be millions of calendar invites or millions of, emails streaming to the Calendar Invite server engine. And then the calendar invites would be sent out via our technology on top of AWS. And then we collect the calendar receipts and then communicate live with the calendar clients downstream, i.e. your customers, on their ability to either come to the event or not come to the event or possibly go to maybe status. So that's the shtick there. I'm going back here to live. I've sent out several batch game invites now. So I was focused the last run on the Eagles at Pittsburgh Steelers here on game day 15th. What I'm going to show you here is the live API interface, and it is put together via the Calendar Stack engine, which is a nice demo engine for us to show you how our data moves around via the APIs. So if I show you the email list, it's right there. There's 11. If I hide the list, it goes away. And our last game I sent to is Eagles at the Steelers. So I'm just scrolling down here. There's was that game I just sent out. I'm going to do the Buccaneers at the Chargers. I'm going to scroll down, give it a command of yes. And when I say yes in that command is communicating in a batch stream, if you will, with this text file streaming to the APIs in which we've built that are mounted up in this service we call the Calendar Invite Server here. So we're communicating with the API gateway. It's pulling out the UID for that particular football game. We're reassembling the calendar invite on the fly using our API technology, sending out the calendar invites, and then collecting the calendar receipts. So that's what's going on. And when I go back here, you'll see that the Buccaneers at the Chargers game was sent out. I'm going to do one yes. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go to the other email box. And as I get through that, you'll see that that email may have come in. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the box real quick. And we'll see if it came in or not. If not, no big deal. It has not yet. I'm not going to wait for the demo purpose. And you'll see here, when I go to the reporting engine, the Buccaneers at the Chargers, I'll go up here under Get Reports. I'm just walking you through the demo status of what somebody in the marketing continuum would be doing with their tech stack. And by the way, you can build your own apps if you want to. This here is the Buccaneers at Los Angeles. So how would I go to that data set here? I have to go into the 15th and I just type in Los Angeles. There it is. It pulled up. You'll see that one RSVP was RSVP back. I sent out a total of 11, and there you go. That's the demo. Thanks for stopping by.